لبيك اللهم لبيك لبيك لا شريك لك لبيك إن الحمد والنعمة لك والملك لا شريك لك.
Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're embarking on a spiritual journey as we explore the significance and rituals of Hajj, the annual pilgrimage to Mecca. Whether you're a Muslim eager to learn more or simply curious about this remarkable event, join us as we delve into the rich history and profound experiences of Hajj. Let's get started. This month is Eid al-Adha or Zil-Hajj. It begins on the 10th day and ends on sunset of the 13th. It's the 12th month of the Islamic calendar in which Hajj is performed. It commemorates the willingness of Prophet Abraham, to sacrifice his son as an act of obedience to Allah. However, before the sacrifice, Allah provided a ram to be sacrificed instead. This festival signifies obedience, faith, and selflessness. On the morning of Eid al-Adha, Muslims gather for congregational prayers. Families dress in their finest attire and come together to express gratitude to Allah for His blessings. The day is marked by acts of kindness, charity, and the sharing of delicious meals with loved ones and the less fortunate. One of the central traditions of Hajj is the sacrifice of an animal, typically a sheep, goat, cow, or camel. This act symbolizes Prophet Ibrahim's willingness to sacrifice his son and serves as a reminder of the importance of obedience and devotion to Allah. A significant aspect of Hajj is the distribution of meat from the sacrificed animal to family, friends, and those in need. This act of sharing reinforces the values of generosity, compassion, and community solidarity, as everyone partakes in the joy and blessings of the festival. And that's Hajj, the festival of sacrifice, in a nutshell. This beautiful celebration showcases the spirit of sacrifice, gratitude, and unity among Muslims worldwide. As we exchange greetings of Eid Mubarak, let us remember the true essence of this festival and continue to spread love and kindness in our lives. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more videos like this.